warning for Allegan County in southwestern Michigan, Berry County in southwestern Michigan, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Caledonia to 6 miles south of Fenville, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hastings, Allegan, Wayland, Otsego, Plainwell, Middleville, Nashville, Fenville, Freeport, Martin, Dorr, Orangeville, Irving, Assyria, Hopkins, Woodland, Delton, Bradley, Yankee Springs, Hickory Corners. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe